Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to set North America 3 by 5 paper size in Excel. You can very easily set this paper size in Excel. So first you need to click on here page layout. Now click on size. Now scroll down and find this North America 3 by 5 paper size. You can find it, so click on it to set it. If you not find here, so need to click on more paper size. Now paper size, just click on this small drop down and you can find here this. You can find easily here. Just click on it and click on OK. Select it and click on OK. So this way you can very easily set North America 3 by 5 paper size in Excel. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.